It's actually pretty easy when you break it down. Supermoon. So if you remember from 5th grade science that the orbit around the Earth of the moon is elliptical. So sometimes it's closer, sometimes it's farther away. It happens to be closer right now. That's the definition of a supermoon. In fact, it's 16% closer and 30% brighter than it would normally be. Spring or flower moon? Well, because it's that time of year. If you think about it conversely, in the fall, we will have that harvest moon, so that makes sense too. Blood, because when we experience the eclipse tomorrow, it looks like we will be seeing a reddish moon. The reason is it's different than a solar eclipse. It's not going to disappear. It just turns red for a little bit because the light of the sun is so powerful that it actually reflects through our atmosphere and turns the moon red for a little bit. The one issue there, it looks like there could be some cloud cover, and that could be a problem. We'll talk about that in a moment, but let's talk about this. 66 today at SeaTac. It's been a long time coming, but we were actually right on the 30-year average today. 3 degrees cool in the overnights, but nobody's paying attention to that. Record for today's date is significantly warmer by about 22 degrees. Okay, nobody's talking about that either. We picked up 3/100ths of an inch of rain today, and the sunset tonight, 8:38. It was absolutely gorgeous. Take a look across the Seattle waterfront right now. It's looking pretty good too. Temperatures 10 degrees off of that high earlier. Winds are calm. A very pleasant evening out there. Dew point sitting at 46. Everything's looking nice. Temperatures basically sitting in some mid-50s, although we do have a couple outliers, a pair of 49s up towards Friday Harbor and Oak Harbor, another 49 out towards Forks, where it's been kind of dark, cloudy, and rainy as the new system is pushing in. Take a look at this low pressure system, that comma form there. Looks like it's going to deliver a gift to California, but nope, it's going to lift up into our neck of the woods here and bring us a soaking tomorrow. Take a look at this. We put Futurecast into motion. Tomorrow morning, right around 7 o'clock, light returns. Again, there's just going to be some light sprinkles here and there, but as we move through the day there, you start to see some of those yellows mixing in, especially towards South Sound, Pierce, Lewis, and Thurston counties. Looks like you could be seeing some moderately heavy rain from about 11 o'clock on. You see some oranges in there as well. It's going to get heavy off towards the Olympic Peninsula and up towards Vancouver Island and the Strait of Juan de Fuca, but then we move towards the evening by 9 p.m. Looks like it's going to start to clear out. A bit showery to start the day on Monday, but it looks like it's going to be a pretty decent day, just some raindrops here and there, and we get to carry that into Tuesday as well. Our next weather maker won't be until Wednesday. So accumulated rain tomorrow, again, nothing to write home about. We'll have a couple spots that'll get into the inch range, including Bremerton there. Seattle looks like it'll pick up 82/100ths of an inch. If you wonder why you didn't see any snow in that forecast, it's because those snow levels are way up high, but they will be dropping down next week. Overnight temperatures will be in the low 50s. Look for 61 tomorrow and a bit of a soaking for the Sounders game. But take a look at your 7-day forecast. We've got more 60s on the horizon.